friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to change air filter of new HET model Dio. So it is placed on the right side of the scooter. So we have two access windows. One is for air fuel mixer and second one is for the screw of the inside screw of air filter. So total 6 screws we have to remove. Get a star screwdriver. That is only one tool that we need for this procedure. And remove all the unscrew everything one by one, because people will remove the other screw but this access window they will not see. Actually we have to put the screwdriver through this access window and we have to remove that screw inside, then only this air filter cabin, that box will come out. Why we are changing this one means in highway full throttle we felt some lag, means the engine is getting choked, actually not getting sufficient air, so we got to feel like that. So we are just seeing what was happened to the air filter, because we checked the carburetor, it's fine. Now the only problem which can arise is the blocked air filter. So we'll see today. Remove all screws. All screws are of same size, so no need to worry about misplacing that one or replacing it with the other position, no problem. All are of same size screws. Just remove 6 screws and keep it somewhere safe. Just slide it off, because the front tip will take little difficult to take off. Just slide it off downwards and it will come off. So see the air filter, this is the cap. So see the air filter, it is fully blocked. Actually like oily greasy things are there. So we don't know from where it came, maybe from outside only. Been for a long trip using this one. See, it's fully blocked actually. That oily content making this thing choked, that's why. So we changed it with the OEM new one from Honda store. It's simple, just simply place it there and put a finger on that, otherwise it will follow. Just put a finger and slide the cap. How you remove, the same procedure you have to follow for keeping it back. First you have to slide it the front end, because that area is little congested, that's why. Just put that thing inside and slide these things up, so it will be placed perfectly. And now put the screws back, that's all. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like, just subscribe, and if you have any comments, just comment me and I can improve. Thank you.